my back door and somebody's dog crawled in my front seat. Like,
We're having breakfast. I made him one little scrambled egg, and I'm having myself some Kodiak protein pancakes with maple syrup, and yeah,